Operation Shreveport has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Union County, Union Parish, East Central Lincoln Parish, until 11:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles northeast of Cooley to 7 miles north of Farmville to 14 miles northeast of Ruston, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hutton, Farmville, Strong, Flat Isle, Marion, Pleasant Hall, D. Arbin, Spencer, Orel, Oakland, Hale, Leanville, Bayou D. Arbin Lake, Lockhart, Depot, and Lightroom. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: Union, Arkansas, and the following parishes in Louisiana: Lincoln and Union. A severe thunderstorm warning remains